Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy, Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 12 from Madani qaida, and today we will learn the rule of Izhar. What is Izhar in the Holy Quran? We will learn with spelling in this lesson. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what is Izhar. What is the definition of Izhar? What is Noon Sakin? What is Tanween? How many halqa letters are there in the Holy Quran? And how do we pronounce the Izhar in the Holy Quran? All these questions, we will find the answers of these questions in this lesson with example. What is Izhar? Viewers, Izhar is the first case of Noon Sakin and Tanween. Izhar is the first case of Noon Sakin and Tanween. What is the definition of Izhar in the Holy Quran? The definition of Izhar is if any halqa letter comes after a Noon Sakin or Tanween, then Izhar will be done. In the Holy Quran, if any halqa letter comes after a Noon Sakin or Tanween, then Izhar will be done. What is Noon Sakin? The letter Noon Sakin can be written as like this. Any letter which has this jazm sign on it, that letter is called Sakin letter. This is Noon Sakin. What is Tanween? Two Zabar, two Zir and two Pesh are called Tanween. I repeat, two Zabar, two Zir and two Pesh are called Tanween. How many halqa letters are there in the Holy Quran? There are 6 halqa letters in the Holy Quran, and they are Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain and Kha. There are 6 halqa letters in the Holy Quran, and they are Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain and Kha. How do we pronounce the Izhar in the Holy Quran? Let's see the examples of Izhar in the Holy Quran. There is halqa letter Kha comes after Tanween. This is Tanween to Pesh. After Tanween there is halqa letter Kha is coming. So this is Izhar. This is the example of Izhar. Let's see the another example of Izhar. There is halqa letter Kha is coming after Tanween. This is two Zir. This is called Tanween. This is another example of Izhar. How do we pronounce the Izhar in the Holy Quran? Let's learn with spelling. Ain Zabar A, Lam Yazili Ali, Mim to Peshmun Alimun, Kha Zabar Kha, Ba Yazil Bi, Khabi, Ra to Peshun, Khabirun, Alimun, Khabirun, Alimun, Khabirun, Alimun, Khabirun, Alimun, Khabirun. Let's see the another example of Izhar from the Holy Quran. Let's learn with spelling. Ra, fa, zabar, raf. Ra, zabar, ra. Raf, ra. Fa, to zir, fin. Raf, rafin. Kha, dad, pesh, khud. Ra to zirrin, khudrin, rafin, khudrin, rafin, khudrin, rafin, khudrin, rafin, khudrin. Let's learn both examples without spelling. How do we pronounce Izhar? Alimun, khabirun, rafin, khudrin, alimun, khabirun, rafin, khudrin. These are the examples of Izhar from the Holy Quran. Thanks for watching. Kindly share this video and like this video and visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.